Thank you, sir. Thank you, gentlemen. I would request Mr. Suresh Sadagopalan to please come on the stage and deposition speaker, and to felicitate Mr. Gopalan, Mr. Subhash Jain from Kolkata. Please come on the stage. Thank you, gentlemen. Do we have anybody from SBI Mutual Fund in the hall? Okay. So we are moving on to next event. It's a panel discussion on emerging trends in and out of the MF industry. So the panelists are, I would request all the panelists to please come up on the stage. The moderator is Mr. Amit Trivedi. Mr. Amit. And the panelists are Mr. Saji Matthews, motivational speaker.
It's time to rewind.
Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you. So over to Amit now.
Thank you very much, and thank you everyone. It's been a long day for all of you. It's been a long Independence Day for all of you. It's good to remind that it's Independence Day and we've been working since morning. Thank you everybody for your support, and welcome all the other panelists. There's a very interesting panel where we're talking about emerging trends, and we've got a very, very diverse panel. We've got specialists from reality, we've got somebody from NSU, heads the mutual fund division, we've got a motivational speaker, and we've got somebody who handles a very large pension fund in India. So, very diverse panel, but I think that's going to be the interesting part, because we'll take up the learnings from their respective fields, and we'll see how those can be applied to mutual fund distribution in the sense of how do we grow. So we'll start with Mr. Nishant Katiyar, who is sitting next to me. He is from Omkar Reality. Nishant, just quickly a word about what Omkar Reality does and how you've been able to penetrate various markets and get into newer segments. Your thoughts on that?
Hi, very good afternoon everybody. Myself Nishant Katiyar. To start with, I would like to say with a phrase, winners don't do different things, they do things differently. So I have been hearing you all for last 2 days, and I am of opinion whereby I am coming with a different product altogether. A product not heard. But yes, we deal with every day in and out with the product called Realty. So I belong to Omkar. Omkar is a pioneer developer in Pan Mumbai level. We have a flagship projects all across Pan Mumbai level, and we have a presence in all across, we are trying to have presence in all across Pan India level. So we have projects ranging from 2 crore onwards to 50 crores, touching up to 100 crores. So if we talk about realty sector, what I feel is, you guys also can think about a realty sector as one of the biggest asset class investment. If you understand about the realty sector market, last 5 to 6 years, if you see the CAGR, it is close to 14% returns what realty sector has already given, already faced down. Of course, it's a long-term investment. Of course, you require intensive capital into it. But mark my words, it is an emotional sentiment involved. People are touched with it, and they want a house for their livelihood. And plus, it's an aspiration for each and everyone to look for. So as an Omkar, we dealt with various projects all across Pan Mumbai level. So when you talk about, we have investor-based lobby, we have real estate lobby, whereby we also invest in mutual funds. There are many companies like ICICI, HDFC and other companies who have their mutual fund asset class into it. But definitely Omkar as a brand also plan to invest in RIET, which is a real estate investment portfolio. So when you talk about this, close to 1,000 crore rupees have already been invested in last 6 months, coupled with various big developers like Omkar, Lodha, Vatwas and others. So as you all know that you could be a part of this fantastic opportunity. Next 15 years, mark my words, next 15 years gonna be a real estate wave. Yes, it's a cyclic version, it goes up, it goes down. Last 2 years have been a stable market. But yes, when you talk about next 5 years down the line, 6 years down the line, with the policies of government superposing on the market conditions, you see a Modi wave coming in, a political background supporting it. Yes, it can create a good opportunities for both of us. It can be a win-win situation for both the parties. As an Omkar group, yes, we target demographics all across international market, global markets. And as a product, we enter into a flagship product which talks about all this adversities of product ranging to all consumer markets. As a consumer behavior, I would like to say, what I have observed in last 15 years, last 10 years, real estate has been a fascinating product, a fascination product to all you buyers. One might not invest in equity. One might not invest in mutual fund. One might not invest in any sort of investment portfolio. But one needs to go to a basic shelter, roti, kapda, makan. So this is my intake about it. You can be part of, a wave which will turn around the history, which will turn around the growth story, a trajectory in coming 5 years down the line. This is my intake about it.
Thank you. Mr. Bhagat, you've been with UDA for quite some time, and I think for the last 6 years, you've been with the pension fund. Nishan talked about the reality or the basic house as a need. Similarly, pension is also an equally important need. So what's your take on how the pension segment is looking and what role which of distributors can play in there?
Thank you very much. We are one of the pension fund managers under the National Pension System. Just to give you an insight about National Pension System first, I'd like to reply to his question. Number one, everybody, since last 2 days you have been listening that more than 65% of the working population is young. India is proud of its working population. And in fact, that is one of the biggest assets which Indian economy has as of now. Now the thing is, 20 to 25 years down the line, the same working population which we claim to be very young as of now will be turning into aging population. And Government of India, as well as every person in society, is now bothered about pension planning. And that is one truth which everyone has to face. Our national pension system has, in fact, made the pension planning easy mode situation. From the current year's budget, which got approved, which got passed, NPS has got additional tax advantage under 80C D1B in addition to Section 80C. That means any person who invests up to ₹50,000 this amount will be deducted from his income and definitely his tax liability will come down. No other product has got this benefit as far as extra tax savings in addition to Section 80C is concerned. So this has generated a lot of curiosity amongst investors class. And even if you do not want to sell it, because for you, the revenue generation is not very high in national pension system. But you have to sell it because this is one of the biggest need in the current circumstances, and government has pushed it through tax reforms and through giving extra tax benefit. The second thing is, this is the lowest cost pension product in whole world. The expense ratio of this product is around 20 basis points, which you, if you compare with a mutual fund product, which has on an average more than 2%, that is 200 basis points. So what I want to say is, there are a lot of benefits in national pension scheme. One was the extra tax advantage which you got from the current year's budget. The second is lower expense ratio, which will lead to higher retirement corpus. The third is this scheme. In this scheme, you can change the pension fund manager as well as asset allocation once in a year. So all these things are to the advantage of investors. For mutual fund distributors, the biggest advantage this year will be the customer acquisition strategy. No customer will invest 100% in pension for schemes. It may invest only 5 to 10%. But when you are acquiring a new customer, you can definitely cross-sell the other products. So I am not going to take further time. I'll just say that NPS as a retirement planning, there is no substitute. And let me tell you, even if you do not want to sell, you have to sell. Because people will approach you for this, and if you do not do, the never will do it. So basically, you will lose the customer. So what I want to say is approach, give them NPS forms. All UTIs, UTI financial centers, they will help you out in coming to national pension scheme, and everything will be, all the help will be provided by UTI team. In fact, there are so many point of presence. All of them, I suppose, will give you this extra advantage. And I really wish you all the good luck. Let investors join. Let their retirement years be financially, let it be sound, and let them get the tax rebates and all the benefits which is there in NPS as of now. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Ma'am, NSE has taken a few steps towards allowing mutual fund transactions on in a stock exchange platform, and there are particularly two segments: one the MFSS segment and the other one which is specifically for mutual fund distributors. I would like to you to spend a couple of moments on that and explain the benefits to the distributors.
Very good evening to all of you, and I wish you a very happy Independence Day at the outset. NSE has been in securities market space for over 2 decades, and it has learned some very, very valuable lessons from the securities market space. The important pick of NSE is that if you want to reach out to common people, technology is the route, and you necessarily need to use technology as an enabler for providing services to investors at large. It will improve your reach through expansion across the country, irrespective of the region that the investor is located in. Second, we also learned in the equity space that physical paper is always cause for some worry because it has potential of loss in transit, it can be bad, authenticity, etc., etc. We took that also as an important lesson. And the third and most critical thing that we learned in the market space is your ability to manage risk and take appropriate decision at appropriate point in time is the key driver of success of your investment product. Building all these three lessons that we learned, we were able to transform and make difference to the market at large in the equity space. But when we looked around, the mutual fund space, which also was meant for retail investors, still got stuck in some of the problems that we had seen 2 decades ago. So we thought, if our journey on equity space has been very interesting, why not make it equally or better interesting in the mutual fund space? That is how we embarked on this NMF2, a new platform that we are allowing distributors to make use of for servicing their customers. So what are the features of this product? It is a web-enabled product where expansion is instantaneous for distributors. More importantly, we are trying to digitize all stages of mutual fund transaction. I mean, today, if for every subscription, every redemption, you are filling a lot of papers. All of that will get eliminated. And also the modern banking features that are there, like your online payment, your net banking, your debit card, all of this will get put to use, and we are through this product encouraging expansion into remote locations. Earlier, whenever we spoke of expansion, the important thought that came in distributors' mind was the cost, the investment. And distributors were always spending their time and energy in back office operations, wherever need of the hour was to spend time with investor in understanding his need. So we have worked out in our product that your space that you are spending on the operations should get totally eliminated. At the click of a button, you should get all the information that you are looking at, but you should concentrate on understanding your investor's profile, recommending to him proper suitable product to the investor. So our product, which is a web-enabled product, enables all of this. Firstly, it enables digital transaction. Secondly, all your back office operations are fully taken care of in this product. It encourages all kinds of transactions, purchase, redemption, SIP, all types of transactions are allowed. All the mutual funds are already on the platform. All means most of them are there and rest of them will follow soon. Right now we have 90% of AUM on the platform already. So we are looking at enhancing our product to make distributor make better decision for investors. So as I said, risk management has been our core area, and we think building risk analytics tool into our product will ease your life to a large extent. And after that, you will be spending time only in understanding your customer, not in the back office worries, which is today taking away substantial bandwidth of ours, bandwidth of yours. And last but not the least, all of us know, even today in mutual fund, distribution is primarily concentrated on 15 towns and cities, 4 metros majorly, and rest of the 15 cities to minor extent. But with this facility, a remotely located investor stands the same chance in respect of NAV. Today, if he is doing a physical transaction, he is losing out on NAV, all of you know. If this product becomes successful, your remote location investor will be on par with an urban investor in terms of getting right NAV and things like that. Our product is shaping up very well, and we also look forward to your feedback on what else you would like so that your life gets easier.
Thanks, ma'am. Very detailed answer. Thanks for that. Mr. Sadi Matthews, Mr. Matthews. Yeah, Mr. Sadi Matthews. Yeah. Now, you've been doing a lot of training programs, motivational talks. You've exposure to so many different fields of businesses. I mean, we didn't discuss that, but you've done programs for mutual fund industry or not. But mutual fund industry is going through some challenging times right now. My request to you.